Feeling stuck? This short dua is a complete lifesaver when asking for a specific hajat need or desire from Allah. A common and highly recommended form of dua is through the Salat al-Hajat prayer of need, or by reciting powerful phrases that praise Allah and seek His mercy. Here is a well-known and comprehensive dua for hajat relief from distress and fulfillment of needs. This a profound and highly recommended dua was taught by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to his daughter Hazrat Fatima, may Allah be pleased with her, and it is very effective for needs and relief from distress. Watch till the end for the full Arabic text, translation and steps to make your dua accepted. Save this video. Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum Bi-Rahmatika Astaghis. Aslile sha'ni kalahu wala takilni ila nafsi tafata ainin. Meaning, O the ever-living, O the sustainer, I seek help through your mercy. Set right all my affairs for me, and do not entrust me to my own self, even for the blinking of an eye.
يا حي يا قيوم برحمتك أستغيث أصلح لي شأني كله ولا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عين. يا حي يا قيوم برحمتك أستغيث أصلح لي شأني كله ولا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عين.
The complete dua is considered one of the most comprehensive supplications, as it combines tawakkul, seeking closeness through Allah's most magnificent names, Al-Hayy and Al-Qayyum, istighatha, seeking aid through His all-encompassing mercy, Bi-Rahmatika Astaghis, complete reliance by requesting Him to fix all affairs and never leave the person to their own flawed self. This supplication invokes Allah's most beautiful names, Yahavu Ya Qayyum, for relief from distress and fulfillment of needs. See full text in comments.